Hi guys, welcome back to Slime Sister. Sorry I've not been making videos in a long time. I know I say that in every video because I really need to make more videos often. I've had ideas, but I just don't have all the ingredients. But today I'm going to be making a fishbowl slime. I know I'm really excited, but I just forgot one thing over there. Fishbowl beads. One sec, let me go get them. I got them. Sorry if I sound bad. I'm actually getting a cold, or as I should say, I'm sick. But for the fishbowl slime, you will need some clear glue. I'm making a green fishbowl slime, so I'm using green food coloring, and I'm using clear glue because fishbowl slime works best in clear glue. I'm going to be using some white-ish clear glitter. I'm going to be using my fishbowl beads. Something to mix with, I'm using a popsicle stick. Something to mix in, I'm using this bowl. And I don't even know if I showed you everything. But you'll need some glue, fishbowl beads. I prefer clear glue. I'm using green color, whitish, clearish glitter, something to mix with, something to mix in, contact solution, and baking soda. And that's all you'll need. So let's get started. Pour in your glue. It doesn't matter how much glue you want, it's just how much you want for a slime. And I'm going to try to use this whole thing because I really want a big fishbowl slime. And this is my first time making fishbowl slime. And I got my fishbowl beads from Michaels. They're actually a little bit expensive. They were $5.99, so $6 for this big bag. It isn't like as big as I thought it would be though for $6. But that's okay. No, I think that's pretty good. I got a lot of glue in here. And it's already probably getting heavy. Wow, it's already a little heavy. So that's what that is. And I got this big black bowl here. And now I'm going to add 2 or 3 drops of color. I think I'm going to do 3 just in case. Try not to dye anything. 2. Actually, I'm just going to do 2 because it looks very dark. Do you see them drops? Yeah, right there. So I'm going to mix it in and see. I'm trying to make one of the slimes of Peachy Babies. I love her channel so much. I just don't quite remember what the slime name is. But it was a green glittery fishbowl slime, and I loved that slime. I haven't ordered from her. I really, really want to. But I've just seen it on a video, and it looked really cool. I'm going to try to get all the slime, well, glue and color on one side so I can mix the color in better. I mean, maybe I should have even added 1 drop because this is really light. I mean dark, sorry. Yes, it's quite dark, but yeah, it looks a little bit darker than it is on camera. But it has a lot of air bubbles too, so we want to mix a little bit less, or like let it sit for a little bit to pop all these air bubbles. But it's fine if it has air bubbles, we'll just let it sit for a couple days or maybe even a week. Alright, next let's add in our baking soda. Peachy Babies uses borax, but I don't use borax. I don't think it's good. There's a little something in my baking soda. But here's my baking soda. I'm going to mix it in. Maybe the color isn't too dark. When it was just all on one side, it looked a little bit darker than it was. I don't know. It might turn different at the end after we activate it and put our fishbowl beads in. But I think this slime's going to look pretty cool. So now, you want to keep it sticky when you add your contact solution. So it's time for the contact solution. Actually, should I add glitter? Yeah, I'm going to add glitter at this point. I forgot I can't get this. I have to take the cap off and pull it. I don't know if it was the green clear fishbowl slime on Peachy Baby that had the glitter. Pretty sure it was. I don't know. Ooh, it looks so pretty, guys. Don't even know if I need fishbowl beads, but I'm going to add them anyway. It looks super pretty. I think the color's fine. It's so pretty. Do you see the glitter? I don't think you can. Oh, yeah, you can. The glitter is so pretty. It's so, so pretty. Okay, now let's add in our contact solution. Ooh, it's hard to get open. Alright, just pour. I think that's good. And I'm going to try to make more corn slime because I just got more corn. I love the corn slime. I'm like obsessed with the corn slime. It's really fun, really pokey, really stretchy. And wait, did I make the corn slime on YouTube? I'm pretty sure I did. I'm 98% sure I did. 2% that I didn't. Alright, let's add more contact solution because it's still really sticky, but it's coming together. But I think it's a little bit too sticky for the fishbowl beads to come in right now. Just add a little bit more contact solution. And maybe we'll be able to add the fishbowl beads in a way. It's so sticky. Get it in my hands. Okay, I think it's time for the fishbowl beads. It's super, super sticky right now. It's like half glue. It's so sticky. But now let's try to add in our fishbowl beads. I'm not sure how to exactly open this. I'm just going to rip the cardboard off. Try to get it stapled. Here we go. Alright, let me get this slime off me. I was scared I was going to spill them. Okay, let's add in the fishbowl bead. I'm really happy. I'm excited. This does not look like a fishbowl bead to me. That was in there. Okay, I think that's good. Let's mix it in. I'm really excited. This is my first fishbowl slime ever. Whoa, this feels so cool. Feels amazing. I've never felt a fishbowl slime in my life, and this feels amazing. This is so pretty as well. Do you see them? So pretty. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add a little contact solution because it's super sticky. Maybe I should have added more contact solution before the beads, but I was scared they were going to fall out. Oh yeah. It's not as clear as I wish it would be, but it's going to get more clear soon. But this is amazing, guys. This wasn't actually a fail. And I still have a lot more fishbowl beads left. But this slime feels amazing. I'm going to add 2 drips more contact solution. And mix it in. It's so stretchy as well. Oh yeah. I'm going to add a little bit more fishbowl beads. I don't want it to be a full fishbowl slime now. Okay, there we go. Make sure there's none of those. Okay. This is so cool. It feels amazing. It's awesome. There's only one of these. I did not turn into the circle fishbowl shapes. This does not look like this at all. These are so cool. I've never made a fishbowl slime, and this just feels amazing. No joke. Okay, I thought I forgot to unpause it, but I didn't. Oh yeah, it's super sticky right now, but it's fine right now. It's so pretty and so sticky, but it's amazing. Do you hear that crunch, guys? Amazing. The only hammer contact solution, it's super sticky. Alright, make sure the fishbowl beads don't fall out. We don't want it too non-sticky. I want it a little bit sticky so the fishbowl beads will stick in. But this is amazing. I love this slime so much. This is like my favorite slime I've ever made. So cool. I think I'm going to add in a little bit more glitter. I love glitter. Okay, here's my glitter. It probably looked better when it was more clear, but I played with it so much, it's probably not going to turn clear as quickly. It's so pretty though. This is like my favorite slime ever. And if you can hear that crunch, amazing. It's awesome. This slime's amazing. One sec, let me put the bowl over here and we'll do some ASMR. Pretty good. Okay, one sec, let me move you down a little bit. Okay, that's the slime right now. Sorry, my desk is a mess right now. Got a little foam. Doesn't look too pretty, but whatever. But this is the slime. It's a little bit sticking to my desk, but that's fine. Awesome. I love this slime. And you're on a little slant, but it's okay. But this just makes awesome bubbles. It has an awesome stretch. It has an awesome everything. Especially awesome crunch. Let's try this swirl. And this is like the biggest fishbowl slime ever. I love it. This is like favorite slime. That wasn't a very good swirl at all, but I'll show you. There's it. I don't know if it focused, but I'll show you the slime up close. Is it focusing? I don't know. It looks a lot brighter than it is. This is kind of like, I don't know. It's like a leaf green color in the summertime, because it's not summertime. It's fall, almost to winter. And there's 3 days till Halloween. I think it's, I don't know, 3 or 2. Comment down in the comment section below what you're being for Halloween. This is awesome. But sorry I'm making this video so long just playing with this slime. But if you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching. Bye!